The banyan tree is a fascinating giant of the forest. Its unique aerial roots grow down from branches to the ground. These roots anchor into the soil, forming new trunks over time. One banyan can cover a vast area, resembling a small forest. In many cultures, the banyan tree holds significant meaning. It's revered in Hindu mythology as a symbol of immortality and longevity. These trees can live for hundreds of years, showcasing resilience. They provide shelter and habitat for many species of animals and birds. In traditional medicine, banyan trees are used for various healing purposes. The banyan tree truly embodies nature's beauty and strength.